Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can set an expiration date for an invitational link to your lists on Microsoft Lists. So let us get started. Head over to Microsoft Lists in the first step, then navigate to the given list. By clicking into My Lists here, I will go with this one. Next, navigate to the Share settings at the top. And here guys, what you want to do is send the email invitation to that list, or you may use an invitational link. But you can also, before you do that, you can also click into that gear icon here, sharing settings, and then set an expiration date for the link I just showed you here, for example, right? So that it expires, for example, after a week or a few days or a month. So guys, navigate to more settings here, click into the expiration date and select the date. So let me set the expiration date for that invitation link to 1 week, so June 21st, Sunday. Click into apply, and as you can see guys, now if I use that copy link button here to copy that invitation link to my clipboard, it will work, but only for an amount or time of 7 days. So after that, users with access to that invitation link won't be able to join your list. And that's it guys. So you'll need to remove the expiration date. If you'd like to change that, click into that gear icon again and then remove it here. For example, remove expiration date. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.